You won't get better at something if you only do it once per year. That was one of the many mic drop moments that happened during day 3 of Disaster Recovery Journal Fall 2025. So a majority of the afternoon was spent in tabletop sessions, not just for the participants to attend and participate, but to learn how to facilitate. In fact, we had an AI session earlier this week on how to create those tabletop exercises. So please, when your BCDR person asks you to participate in one, know that it really is for your own good, because you'll never get better at something if you only do it once per year. One of the other lessons throughout the day was the need for shared taxonomy. Even in an industry as mature as ours, the idea of recovery time objective, RTO, to the ITDR person, that's the amount of time since recovery began. To the business continuity person, that's the amount of time since disruption happened. Those are two different things. And yes, data protection matters. Super excited. We published the research of 502 BCDR professionals looking at the organizational trends for 2025. And now we get to start writing the report for the strategies and recommendations for 2026. Stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for day 4 tomorrow of Disaster Recovery Journal Fall 2025.